The Ryobi ONE HP Brushless 4-mode half-inch high-torque impact wrench is the most powerful impact wrench we've ever made. With ONE HP Brushless technology, it can produce up to 1,170 foot-pounds of breakaway torque to remove rusted or stubborn bolts, and delivers up to 7 times faster removal speed. This power, paired with the innovative 4-mode speed control featuring auto mode, allows the tool to be set to the perfect speed for the job. And the half-inch anvil with friction ring allows for quick and easy socket changes. Tri-beam LEDs help keep your work area visible, even in low-light conditions. And a rugged and durable die-cast gear case stands up to the most demanding applications. The Ryobi ONE HP Brushless 4-mode half-inch high-torque impact wrench, part of the ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.